You all ready?
Yeah, oh boy. I need a minute, I think.
Greetings, traveler! Today's adventure started off with a trip to an elephant sanctuary. Here, I was able to get up close and personal with these gentle giants. An elephant sanctuary is a facility dedicated to the rescue, rehabilitation, and retirement of elephants. Most of them were formerly used in the logging or tourism industries, such as for riding or circus-style shows. Ethical sanctuaries now aim to provide a final home where these animals can live out their lives in dignity. Elephants are highly social. Sanctuaries allow them to form herds, wander through forests, and interact on their own terms. There are no chains, no bull hooks, no elephant riding, painting, or dancing. Some sanctuaries are observation only. At this particular sanctuary, we were allowed to feed the elephants and bathe them as well, but the elephants were never forced to do anything that they didn't want to do. These elephants were kind of intimidating at first, as I didn't really know anything about how to approach them or what might tip them off. The baby elephants were particularly intimidating because they would just run around randomly.
Ой, какая кукуруза, возьми.
Кидай, руку убирай только за.
Ничего страшного нет. Вот, давай я подниму. Сам поднимешь. Ну,
Да, он тебя понял полностью.
подниму. Молодец. Ох ты, покушать-то. Молодец. А у меня возьми.
When it came to feeding them, we tourists were given a sack of random goodies. My sack was predominantly sugarcane, but a lot of other people had corn husks, bamboo, tree parts, and whatever else. It also appeared that some elephants preferred certain foods over others. This particular elephant didn't care for sugarcane, but it gave me a kiss with its trunk anyway. That was wild.
Yeah. Okay, okay.
There you go.
Do you want some fun facts about elephants? Too bad. Here are some. The elephant is the national animal of Thailand. Historically, a white elephant appeared on the national flag until 1917. In Buddhism, the majority religion in Thailand, elephants are sacred. White elephants are especially revered. They are considered property of the king and represent his majesty and prosperity. The elephant population in Thailand has seen a dramatic decline over the last century. In the early 20th century, there was an estimated 100,000 captive elephants. Today, that number has dropped to roughly 3,700 to 3,800 captive elephants and about 3,000 to 3,500 wild elephants, and now they are considered endangered. An elephant's trunk has no bones but contains over 40,000 muscles. For perspective, the entire human body only has about 600. Asian elephants have a single finger at the tip of their trunk that is so sensitive they can pick up a single blade of grass or even a tiny coin. Asian elephants have the largest volume of cerebral cortex of all land animals. Their intelligence is often compared to that of chimpanzees and dolphins. They are one of the few species on Earth that can recognize themselves in a mirror. At 22 months, elephants have the longest pregnancy of any mammal. As Asian elephants age, they often lose pigment on their trunks and ears, resulting in beautiful pink freckles. While they may look similar at first glance, Africans and Asian elephants are actually distinct enough to belong to different genera. Their differences are largely adaptations to their specific environments. The hot, open savannas of Africa versus the shaded, humid forests of Asia. Some differences include the backs of African elephants dip in the middle, while Asian elephants have an arced or rounded back. African elephant trunks have 2 fingers at the end for pinching objects, while Asian elephant trunks have just 1 finger. The skin of an African elephant is more wrinkled, while Asian elephant skin is smooth and often has pinkish freckles, as previously mentioned. African elephants are noticeably larger and more aggressive than their Asian counterparts. African elephants of both sexes usually have large visible tusks. Only some male Asian elephants have tusks. Some males and females have very small tusks called tushes, or none at all.
You're like 10. Yeah, eat them. It's hoarding. There you go. Maybe? No, JK.
An adult Asian elephant spends 16 to 19 hours a day eating. They consume roughly 150 kilograms or 330 pounds of vegetation daily. Because their digestion is only about 40% efficient, they also produce about 100 kilograms or 220 pounds of dung every single day. You can't really tell, but elephants are pretty hairy. The hair actually helps the elephant stay cool. Elephant hair is highly sensitive, much like a cat's whiskers, and can be used to help them detect how close they are to trees, walls, or other elephants, preventing accidental bumps.
Let's go and give. Let's join together. Let's go. Yeah.
It's a video oder Foto? Kami. Helkisla Denise. Brik Tami Denise.
The elephants today did feel like bathing in the river, so we were allowed the opportunity to soak them.
There you go.
I made an attempt to get in there and dump a bucket of water on one of them, but I was quickly hosed down a couple of times.
You are ready.
Yeah, oh boy. I need a minute, I think.
Elephants are excellent swimmers and will use their trunks as snorkels to breathe while their entire body is submerged underwater. The trunk can hold up to 8.5 to 10 liters, about 2.5 gallons, of water at once. They don't drink through their trunk like a straw, though. They suck the water up and then squirt it into their mouths.
And there's another one over here.
Nice. And those were my highlights of the elephant sanctuary. Getting to stand in that river, scrubbing these gentle giants while they splashed around, really changes your perspective on what ethical tourism can look like. I'm leaving with a lot of respect for the work they are doing here to keep these animals safe, healthy, and most importantly, unchained. If you're planning a trip to Thailand, I can't recommend an experience like this enough. It is intimidating at first, but it is fun and it is absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed coming along for the ride today, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. I've actually documented my entire 2-week journey through Thailand, from scuba diving in Phuket to exploring the temples of Chiang Rai. You can check out that full adventure by clicking on the top right corner. Thanks for watching Hike, Seek, Savor, and I'll see you in the next adventure.
That thing we're all over.